Right now, you're being detained. You're being detained for obstruction. Assisting and obstructing. You're being detained. You're not under arrest. You're just being detained.
Hey. Oh man. Boy, I got a cluster today.
You got what?
A cluster. Had a 3-car PDA. And then as I'm doing the PDA, this guy comes over to me, says, I want to press charges for assault. This guy, I'm recording, this guy, he assaulted me. He pushed my phone out of the hand onto the ground. And so, I want to press charges. So then I said, well, go over there and I'll get with you after I'm done. So then as I'm doing the report, writing information down in the car. I had one of the accident drivers in my car. She says, I hate to disturb you, but they look like those guys, they were getting a fight. So I called for a backup, and backup arrived, and I separated them. And this guy, I said, listen, it's heated right now. You're going to have to leave, go somewhere else, and I'll take your report. But you got to leave. He says, this is my right. This is my First Amendment right to record. I says, you're interfering with the police investigation. I'm trying to calm things down. He says, I don't need to. He says, are you ordering me to leave? I says, yeah. I says, because but he continued to argue and wouldn't leave. So finally the deputy that was with me, he says, you're under arrest. You're being detained for disorderly. So we put him in the back of his car, and I tried to get information for him. He refused to cooperate. So I said, take him down to jail, and I'm going to charge him with disorderly.
They find out who he was?
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way down there now.
Oh.
So anyways, but the only reason I was trying to call you, I was trying to think of the code. I was trying to think of the code to that you write people instead of writing them a speeding ticket. What you guys normally write under, and it's called impeding traffic or something, right? So
yeah, it's just impeding. I just put impeding under, and it pops up. I don't know what the code is right off the top of my head.
Yeah, I got it now. I ended up writing 2 tickets. I wrote the driver that failed to yield. I helped her out. I says, I'm not going to write you a ticket for failed to yield. I'm going to write you for impeding traffic. It's a ticket, but it's no point. So I help you out there. And then I wrote one of the drivers of the other vehicle. I wrote him for expired plates. It expired over a year ago. So, but let me give you a shout when I get done here, okay? All right, see ya.
I need to talk to you, Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin, we need to talk to you.
When we clear the scene, we don't expect you to
get in fights with
get
me.
in a...
What happened?
Were you there? Still there when this guy came up to my window and wanted to press a charge for assault? Guy with the beard is taking. You remember seeing someone there taking pictures and stuff?
No, I don't.
Right.
So he wasn't even involved in the wreck?
No.
Oh.
So anyways, I says, okay, just go back over there. When I get done here, then I'll take your complaint. Next thing you know, him who has nothing to do with the scene and one of the victims